Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice rapid red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It has four-wheel drive capabilities and comes equipped with the tow and haul package as well as the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board. We do have blind spot detection as well as mud flaps on the front. And taking a look at the front, we have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. And we have this nice gray cloth interior. You do have plenty of door space. You can always lift up the seats for additional room as well. And we do have 2 cup holders, a 12-volt outlet right there. Let me just move that. 2 USB-Cs and 120 just right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we have powered seats. We also have the same cloth interior as the back. Plenty of door space. Parking brake, tailgate lights and lights, blind spot, and your tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 16 kilometers. We also have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle for your menu, phone and media, cruise control, volume and voice, and looking at your screen here, you have my view. Oop. Nice. Trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue our look over here. You do have a fair bit of storage there. This does lift up for a little bit of extra storage, which is pretty nice. You got a nice pen slot, cup holders, storage with the USB and USB-C. You have a rear locking differential, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer backup, heated front seats, dual climate, 12-volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get more storage there and in the glove compartment. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction just right there. And of course you get storage above as well. And above me we do get a nice rear window opener. And looking at our main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation of course. You can see where you've been, you can start places, whatever you like. Your fave app, which you can select from these, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth. Any apps you may have downloaded, there's that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, navigation, vehicle, so on and so forth. And your features of the vehicle. And for your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, off-road, tow and haul, eco, and sport. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD20265, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.